W. Problem is that it won't start, so we have to see what's going on here. Let's try to start it. Nothing. Positive there. Positive, negative. Oh, look at that. We have 10 volts here. It's not gonna start.